Artificial intelligence in the modern world. Key applications. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a topic for researchers and scientists. Today, AI is a significant part of many technologies and industries, influencing how we live, work, and interact with the world. Understanding where and how AI is used can help you see its value and the many opportunities it offers. Here are some key applications of AI in the modern world. The first one is healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare in areas such as analyzing medical images to detect diseases like cancer at early stages, predicting patient risk based on the health data, assisting doctors with diagnosis and treatment planning, developing new drugs and vaccines more quickly through data analysis. Second one is finance. The financial industry uses AI for detecting fraudulent transactions and preventing financial crimes, automating trading decisions based on the real time market data, offering personalized financial advice to customers, assessing credit risks, and making loan approval processes faster and more accurate. Third one is transportation. AI is at the heart of modern transportation systems, including autonomous vehicles that can drive without human intervention, optimizing routes and logistics for shipping and delivery services, predictive maintenance for vehicles and transportation infrastructure, improving traffic flow in urban areas. Next is retail and e commerce. Retailers and e commerce platforms rely on AI for recommending products based on customer behavior and preferences, managing inventory and predicting demand trends, personalizing marketing messages to specific audiences, enhancing customer service through AI powered chatbots. Next is entertainment and media. AI plays a significant role in shaping the content we consume, suggesting movies, music, and videos that match user interests, generating realistic visual effects in films and games, creating personalized news feed and content recommendations. The next one is manufacturing. In manufacturing, AI helps with monitoring equipment for signs of wear and predicting failures, quality control through automated visual inspection systems, optimizing production processes for greater efficiency, enabling the development of smart factories. Next up is agriculture. AI is used in agriculture to analyze crop health using drone and satellite imagery, predict weather patterns and their impact on farming, automate tasks like planting, harvesting, and sorting produce, improve resource management such as irrigation and fertilizer use. The next one is security and surveillance. AI contributes to security and surveillance through facial recognition systems, anomaly detection in security footage, identifying potential cybersecurity threats and vulnerabilities, automating response to certain security incidents. These examples represent only a fraction of how AI is being applied across various sectors. As technology advances, we can expect AI to become even more integrated into our everyday lives, creating new solutions, industries, and career opportunities. In this course, we will explore some of these applications in greater detail and learn how the underlying AI technologies work. This will help you not only understand the power of AI but also see how you might apply it on your own projects or career. Let's move forward and continue discovering how AI shapes our modern world.